Hey everybody, so today we're going to take notes on the 5 themes of geography. At the very beginning of the quarter, we talked about geography and what it is, and then we also talked about how geographers have divided it. During this unit, we're going to be looking more in depth at each of the 5 themes and what that looks like and how it relates to the study of geography. So for our notes today, we're going to do some recap. Our guiding question is, what are the important tools of geographers? Number 1 says geography, and it's the study of Earth and its people. We said that this includes everything from the study of culture, like dance and music and religion, to the study of things like volcanoes. There are 5 themes of geography: their location, place, human environmental interaction, movement, and regions. These are ways that geographers break down the study of everything that they need to learn about into manageable sized chunks. We said this was similar to how Netflix breaks up all of their movies and TV shows into genres. So these are the groupings or genres of geography. The first is location. This is your position on the Earth's surface. So where are you? Okay. This can be shown with longitude and latitude. This can be shown by saying, I live near the park. So sometimes we talk about location by number 4, absolute location. It's your exact spot on the Earth's surface. So your GPS coordinates, your longitude and latitude, your street address. And sometimes we talk about location by giving relative location, number 5, which explains where a feature is in relation to things around it. So if we were to describe where our school is, 810 Palace Avenue would be the absolute location, and the relative location would be in the West 7th neighborhood, near the Palace Rec Center. So we're talking about where a school is by describing things around it. Pause here if you need to finish writing this slide. Number 6 is place. It refers to the characteristics of a location that make it unique. So this isn't where are you, this is what's it like. Are you in a school? Are you at a park? Are you at the mall? Are you at the movie theater? Are you on a mountain? Are you at Mount Rushmore? So what about where you are makes it different from all other places? Describe what's around you. 7 is human environmental interaction. This is how people affect and are affected by their environment. There's a lot of this happening in our world right now. So this looks like how people are affected by wildfires. This looks like climate change. This looks like pollution. This also looks like how we are affecting our environment. So we're building cities, or we built things into mountains like Mount Rushmore. Okay. Movement explores how and why people, ideas, and goods move from one place to another. So this isn't just people moving from country to country, but this is ideas moving from country to country. So like the spread of democracy, or Korean pop music being popular in the United States, or when you look on the tags of your clothes, seeing that they were made in different countries. So movement looks at how people and ideas and goods move from one place to another and how that affects the spread of culture and the development of culture. And the last one is region. So this is an area of the Earth's surface that has stuff in common, so it gets grouped together. One example of this is the Middle East. That's multiple countries across multiple continents that get grouped together because they have a common language. We in Minnesota are part of the Midwest, and we get grouped together with states in the center of our country because we have a lot of physical features in common and a lot of historical things in common, and we're relatively flat states that do a lot of farming. Okay. Number 10, I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to have you put in the notes in your own words down here what you think. So when we are studying geography, you're usually a human geographer or a physical geographer. If you're a human geographer, you're studying people. You're studying culture like religion and language and why people are moving from place to place. Or you're a physical geographer and you're studying things like volcanoes and mountains and rock slides and mudslides and wildfires and stuff like that. So the difference here is that human geographers are focused on the human aspect of geography, and physical geographers are focused on the physical earth. Okay, so I want you to take that and put that in your own words for number 10. Remember, when these notes are done, you do need to turn them in.